Well, the delivery man brought us some packages today. Let's tear into these things, get rid of the cardboard, and see what we got waiting inside. I'm pretty sure it's something that came straight out of China, but we'll find out here in a minute. Made in Shinnnny. Hey, it'd be easier to go out the end here. Shiny, look at that. Can you see that? Super shiny. It's like a mirror. It's supposedly stainless steel. Can you see through? Also, incredibly shiny, high polish. And then the final piece here. Made in Shinnnny. Ooh, also matches. So what did we buy here? It's basically a 4-inch muffler, 4-inch piece of pipe, and a turn down for 4-inch. This is going to be the exhaust kit for the C8000. We need an exhaust, there's nothing on it, and we need to tone it down just a little bit. We didn't really need shiny, but this was the cheapest option. I'm sure it's going to change in the long run. Right now we just need something that is temporary that will get us going and get it toned down just a little bit. We're going to test fit that exhaust, but first we're going to give it a trial run to see just how noisy it is without the exhaust. I'm sure you've already heard it, but we're going to do more of a scientific study. We're going to put the microphone at the same distance from the truck for both tests, and we're also going to do an in-cab test. So here we go. First round, no exhaust. We're going to set the tripod up here. We're going to take that muffler off that we just have slip fit on there for test, and we're going to fire this little girl up. I hope she starts. We got to hook the battery up. Probably should come up with a more permanent solution here. We always disconnect this thing so it doesn't go dead. All right. Need to upgrade our can. We are currently trying to source a brand new fuel tank, and either we got scammed or it got lost at UPS. I don't know. I'm thinking I may have got scammed. Popular auction site says I got a money back guarantee, supposedly. We'll see. All right. I'm gonna climb up in there and fire this little girl up, but I'm gonna put you guys back on the tripod over there. So we just did a predefined test. We're gonna run the same test from inside the cab. So we held her steady at 1,000 RPMs for a little bit. Then we went up to 1,500 for a couple. Then we did a couple off idle to 1,500 bursts.
So that's basically the predefined test. We're gonna go back to see if we can get that exhaust installed and see if it makes any improvement on this end cap noise. So they're nice enough to give us some instructional pictures here of how this goes together. Band clamp, half round piece, bar in the middle, if you can see that, and then another half round piece. So basically this goes in the middle, and then one of these on each side. See if we can't get that on there. Clamp's already on the muffler, so all we gotta do is get that into that. Pre-assemble the hair outside. We're gonna put the bolt head towards the outside. Okay. Got that. All we gotta do is tighten her up. Alright, she's got some staining on it because, well, the truck was dripping on it from all the rain. We need to get our long extension piece on there, but also some hangers. So, and we need to tighten that clamp up quite a bit, it looks like. You know, I'm starting to think we may have to slide these clamps back for them to tighten up the way they should. We'll see. We need to get some hangers on here. She's definitely doing a downward slope. So we got this style of rubberized hanger and a heavy duty clamp. Problem is we're having a hard time finding a place to bolt this. Right down here, so far the best place we got is this cross member up under here. There's an angled surface. Yeah, right there. There's an angled surface. We're gonna try to mount to that and see if we can't bend this thing back around where she needs to be. Need to stock up on some hardware. Running short on the washers. Let's see. If we guess the right size, is it gonna fit? Okay, it's in. Try to estimate where we need to be. Oh, there's a big wasp nest up here. That's cool. That ain't going nowhere. All right. We just need to tighten our band clamps up there. Looks like there's a loose one up further, maybe from when they took the old exhaust off. So if you can see, we got a stray one way up there. It's probably just loose vibrating around, but we gotta get this one and that one. Yep. Yeah, so the clamp has a tapered section with a larger part where there's gonna be double wall, and then a thinner part where it's gonna be just tube. That's what we need. Should tighten up a whole lot better this way. Of course, this one's on backwards. That's cool. Good news, we can flip it. You can see it's got a flanged out portion for the double part. I just didn't pay attention. Here's our fancy turn down tip. We're gonna get this on here. Probably should check the size. So I didn't realize it, but that nut was actually tack welded and we need a hex here. So let's see. Should we go down or a little to the side? A little to the side looks cool. You don't want to catch the grass on fire, but I don't think it'd be too hot. We'll just kick her like that. I don't think it'd be too hot coming out here, but could. In today's world, you gotta weld this thing so nobody steals it. One hex wrench away from zipping it off of here. Alright, that ain't going anywhere unless somebody has one of these. So hopefully nobody's in the stealing mood, and if they are, we'll watch them on camera steal it. Okay, we got the whole new exhaust upfitted to the C8000. Let's see just how much of an effect that makes on the noise. It looks, I mean, we didn't pick it for the fanciness. We picked it for the expense. That was the cheapest setup that we can get. We just need something that's functional, more quiet than that piece of crap that just went by. We just need something that's functional, that'll keep the noise down in the cab, make us less conspicuous, and make people not want to hate riding in it. So here we go. We'll set you up, see what it does. First, we're going to do the in-cab noise test because I think the air alarm is going to go off once she gets up too high. Not for sure what that's about. That's another problem we're going to solve. Just checking the fuel out. We don't want to run out. Not be fun. Looks like the air pressure went down. Have to wait till the buzzer goes off. Okay, we're gonna go up to 1,000 for a little bit now that the buzzer's off. Now we're gonna go up to 1,500. Now we're going idle to 1,500 revs a couple times. Overshot a little bit there. One more. That completes the head cap test. Now we're going to clip you back out here, repeat the process for our noise comparison. I don't know how she came across on the microphone, but I do think that was a huge improvement. We got a lot of rattly noises in the cab from the big diesel and stuff vibrating, rattling. That didn't go away, but I do think some of the exhaust noise did go away, and it cut down on some of the noise that you hear in there. It looks cool, we'll give it that. So I think this was a win. I don't remember how much money we got in that. 150, 200 bucks, less than 200 bucks, I think. If you're interested in any of those parts, I will leave links down in the description. Looks cool on there, that's for sure. Shiny stuff. Next up on the agenda for the C8000, we need to get a fuel tank because we can't drive down the road with a 5-gallon bucket in the back. I mean, we could, probably gonna get in trouble if we get pulled over with a 5-gallon can back there. So we got to do something with that. Like I mentioned earlier, purchased one off the good old major auction site on the internet and paid for it, and it was supposed to show up 2 weeks ago. So I don't think that's ever going to show up. I think we may have got ripped off. I'm gonna have to try to remedy that. In the meantime, we're gonna have to try to come up with a new solution for a fuel tank, and then address all the other things such as lights, safety features, anything else that's missing on this old girl, so you can make it bounce down the road. Temporary time being, these are going to get taken off, and we're going to wait for another time to do those because we need to use this old girl. Thanks for watching, everybody.